live. So hey, what's going on, guys? I'm driving right now. We're gonna go hit up a little local place in Battle Creek called Cafe Rica, and it's their anniversary. I've never been there. They serve like cold brew coffees and things. So we're gonna go check them out. Maybe get a little footage or something. But yeah. So yeah, we're doing that. What else, Michelle? What did we do this morning?
We did Walmart pickup for our groceries.
So explain that.
So you download the Walmart app. You like to say everything that you want, and then pick up your groceries 24 hours in advance. It's free. Had a $10 off coupon 2 weeks in a row, and it's the best, isn't it, Josh?
Yeah, it's really cool, and it's fun, and it's quick. So that's what we like about it. You just go pick it up. I mean, you're gone in 5 or 10 minutes, right, Michelle?
Yep.
You don't gotta go in the store or nothing. They bring it right to you. So we like that. And also, we're gonna be heading to the bird sanctuary in Battle Creek. So we're gonna see what that's about. I haven't been there in probably, I don't know, 5, 6, 7 years. I used to go as a kid. So Michelle's never been there?
No. Well, so, apparently my parents said that. I have been there a long time ago.
Oh, okay.
So.
And then after that, we're gonna pick up my cousin Joy. Then we're gonna be hitting the casino for dinner and a little bit of fun. So we're gonna try that out. Okay, guys, talk to you later.
To listen.
Not gonna say the part. There's Michelle. We are downtown Battle Creek, and here's the bus station. There's like there's a cereal plant. If you guys know Ralston cereal, it's not called that anymore, but they still make Ralston cereal over there at that plant right there. I think it's called ConAgra now or something. And there's a skating rink over there. There's our post office, Battle Creek, and here is the BC Cargo pop-up shops, something our downtown did. I normally don't get to come because I work on Saturdays, but we're gonna go check out the pop-up shops. What kind of stuff do you guys have here?
We're a coffee shop.
Coffee shop.
Yep.
Okay. Do you guys have flavored coffees?
We have a cold brew right now. That's our fall flavor. We just tapped it today. It's nutmeg cinnamon.
Oh, okay.
Yep. And then we have some syrup flavors that we can flavor it up with too.
Okay. Cool. Yeah, we'll try. What are you interested in?
Yeah, and then with that fall cold brew, we do we add cream and caramel. So it's.
Oh, okay.
So we do we call that the BB.
Is that the one with the what'd you say, the nutmeg?
Nutmeg cinnamon, yeah.
Yeah, I'll try that.
That one will be cold.
Yeah, that's fine. Yep. Yeah. I'll have the short.
Short? Okay.
Yep. What are these here?
Paper straws.
Paper straws.
Awesome.
That's good.
Yep.
We like that.
We're kind of trying to switch out of plastic straws.
It's really not that hard.
Right.
I mean, they're a little bit more expensive.
Sure. Better, way better for the environment.
Yeah.
Matt Allen, you will like that.
Yeah.
There you go.
Cool.
Cool. How you like it? Let me taste yours.
It's good. Mine's coffee.
Yeah, mine's.
Oh, yours is
Yeah, barbecue nachos. Take a bite, Michelle, and let us know.
okay. Somebody's getting
Just
in trouble.
hurry. Jeez, how long did it take you to find a nacho?
Well, this doesn't have any meat on it.
Michelle, you're letting me down. Good? Good. Yep, we're here at the bird sanctuary. Hopefully we'll be getting some good, little bit of footage. What?
Oh, it's a weird leaf.
So Michelle, what do you got there?
Corn.
Yep, this is to feed the birds.
Are you
And
talking
we saw a really funny sign that said no puffin. And it was like one of those puffin birds with like a cigarette in its mouth. And it was funny. And it looked like Michelle because of the cigarette.
Stop.
But yeah, this is nice. We'll get to the birds in a minute.
It's gonna be a nice walk.
Yep. This place reminds me of my childhood. I used to come here sometimes with my parents and my sister growing up. Lots of wildlife, lots of...
Oh, there's dogs.
Yep, all the way around here, Michelle.
I don't want to feed these Canadian geese.
Here we go.
Oh, the
Well, they like people here.
swans aren't gonna bite you.
Look at the duckies. Feed them, Michelle. Aw.
They're
Whoa!
hungry. Here you go.
Michelle, they got people feed them all day. They're not hungry.
Here.
Michelle's corn's gonna be gone in like 3 seconds.
Oh, they're biting each other. That one's hissing. He's hissing. Here you go. Oh my gosh.
What?
That one's hissing.
What one?
This one.
Whoa!
Careful.
Whoa.
That will bite you. Look at it, it's hissing.
You want to just eat out of your hand, Michelle?
No. It'll bite you.
It's about to be a beat down.
Oh! There's another duck. Hey.
Oh no, we don't want them to come over there. Don't throw the feed over here because they'll attack you.
Okay, the duck ate all of it.
I like throwing it in the water.
Look at this guy.
He's like, I'm big and I'm in charge. There you go.
That swan looks mean.
Watch. Geronimo! That's what we do when we were kids.
Look at it. This guy's gonna bite you, Josh.
Watch. Geronimo! That's what we used to say when we were like 10. Because like you're throwing like... Man, everybody's like rolling up here, aren't they?
Yeah.
Whoa.
Are you getting this?
Yep.
We're done.
Well, they said feed us. Whoa! Why are geese mean? Look at this one.
Whoa, what the heck? Hey, little ducks, get back in here.
They're running.
Hi.
You want to be on our YouTube channel?
Look at this.
Look, they're
guy.
fighting. Whoa! Look at, she's biting the crap out of that one.
Look at this guy.
Babe, they're used to people. I think my dad used to feed one out of his hand. I'm going to do
No,
it.
I'm not gonna do that. What if they bite you? I don't.
Whoa!
Oh!
Dang it, I don't know if I got it. He smoked that goose.
Oh my gosh.
We're like causing bird fights. Look at, he's like, get out of the way. Okay, we're gonna, all of our corn's gonna be gone in one spot.
Look, this guy's following us. I'll just walk with you.
He goes, you guys are big and I think you guys got lots of food. I remember like some of us would like just literally spend all of our corn right here and then like not have any left. Look at it. Don't give it to him out here.
I know, I won't again.
You want to see? Look. A little, I'm gonna give this guy a little bit. He's gonna fight this bird.
She's scared.
This little duck's like, hey, I'm hungry. Look at all these females. Oh, look at this one, Michelle. It's right here.
Hi.
Don't touch them.
Hi.
Try to, you can feed that one out of your hand.
A duck?
Yeah, it ain't gonna hurt you. It's beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah, I don't know if I want to feed it out of my hand.
Because then this big one might come over.
Yeah.
He's like, why are you filming me? Oh no. Michelle, now they're all running over here. Their little legs. Look at all these. Michelle, just get it. You get it?
Mm-hmm. Okay.
See? See? Do it again. Just try it. I got you recording.
What about this guy?
Okay. I got the recording.
Well, I don't want them both there.
No, they won't. Baby, just do it. I got it recording. Right here, this little guy.
Oh gosh, he almost bit me.
Oh my gosh! So fight! 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 Whoa! About to be a beat down. Well, look at, God, they pinch and bite. Half that was your finger, Michelle.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Hey guys, we're here at the bird sanctuary. We thought we'd do a little just talk because, well, we had our vlogging camera, but the battery's almost dead, and it's because of somebody forgot our other battery.
I misunderstood what was going on.
But no, we've had a wonderful time here at our bird sanctuary. We're watching the birds here. We got 2 buckets of corn each because, man, you run through the corn fast, don't you?
These birds love the corn.
Yeah. And Michelle goes, oh, they're hungry. I'm like, Michelle, they get fed all day by people throwing corn at them. But it's just fun. And we had a nice walk. We saw birds of prey. You'll see that in the video. What was one of your favorite parts about the bird sanctuary?
Probably feeding the birds.
Yeah, that was fun. And one of the funnest parts was like watching the birds like bite each other.
Yeah,
that was funny.
The swans are grabbing each other. They're grabbing the ducks.
Yeah, it's funny. So, but yeah, it's beautiful. We're sitting here on a lake right now, and a little pond. I mean, or I don't know what you call it. It's a lake. But you guys can probably hear the birds squawking in the background, and yeah, it was very nice. Good way to spend my day off.
Oh yeah, for sure.
So, and like I said, it was only $5 a piece to get in.
This is like a cheap date, nice.
And the birds are still biting each other over the corn. I can see them.
Yeah.
But yeah.
Oh.
So
cool.
$5 to get in, and then $1 for each bucket of corn. So we spent like 15 bucks here today. But
not bad.
And we were here 3 hours.
2.5
hours. Okay, guys. Bye.
Bye.
How's it going, guys? We're at the buffet at the casino. Look who we got.
Hi, guys.
Joy's here with us, so we'll let you know what we get here in a minute. So, Michelle, you got anything to say?
No.
Okay, I'm ready to have what we got here. Some mussels, fresh cut meat, some fish, some Brussels sprouts, cheese potatoes. Joy, what do you have?
Stuffed potatoes, mushrooms, pizza,
Steak,
and then some veggies with cheese sauce.
I got asparagus, steak, mac and cheese, pot stickers, roasted vegetables over here. Yeah, their asparagus is bomb.com here. So. All right, bye. Josh is already digging in.